Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about Moore machine and a Mealy machine. These are the two machines with outputs. So first let's see what is Moore machine. A Moore machine is a finite state machine whose outputs depends on only the present state. So a Moore machine can be defined, or you can say it can be described by a six tuple: Q, sigma, delta, del, lambda, Q naught, where capital Q is a finite set of states, or then sigma is a finite set of input symbols, and delta is a finite set of output symbols. Del is the input transition function where del maps Q cross sigma to Q, and lambda is the output transition function where lambda maps lambda maps Q to delta, and Q naught is the initial state where Q naught belongs to Q. So the transition table of a Moore machine is given below. You can see here, this is the transition table. Here the states are given as A, B, C and D. In this table consists of present state, next state and output. In the present state we have written all the states. Now on input 0, A on input 0 it is changing its state to B, and on input 1 it is changing its state to C, and the output is x2. Here present state, suppose if it is B, on input 0 it is changing to B only, and then on input 1 it is going to D, and the output is x1. Here present state is C, on input 0 it is remaining in C state C only, and then on input 1 it is going to D, and then the output is x2. Here if it is D, present state is D, input is 0, then it is remaining in state D, and input 1 also it is remaining in state D, and output is x3. You can see the transition table once again totally. Present state, next state. In next state you have input 0 and input 1, and you have the outputs. Okay. Now we'll see the transition diagram for this Moore machine. This is the transition diagram for Moore machine. Okay, you can see. You can put the table beside and check out. Coming to Mealy machine, a Mealy machine is a finite state machine whose output depends on the current state as well as the present input, present state and present input. So formally a Mealy machine can be defined as a six tuple Q, sigma, delta, del, lambda, Q naught. Here everything is same, where Q is a finite set of states, sigma is a finite set of input symbols, delta is a finite set of output symbols, del is the input transition function where del maps Q cross sigma to Q, and lambda is the output transition function, lambda maps Q cross sigma to delta. Here why we are writing Q cross sigma to delta? Q is the set of current states, and because this is a Mealy machine, its output depends on both the current state as well as the input symbols, So Q cross sigma to delta, and Q naught is the initial state where Q naught belongs to Q. This is the state transition table for a Mealy machine, where you have the present state, next state. In next state you have input equal to 0. In that you have state and output. Input equal to 1, state and output. Why? Because here the Mealy machine depends on the state as well as the input. So on present state A and input 0, the state is changing to B and output is x1, and input 1, the state is changing to C and output is x1. Now then if you take this state as B, on input 0 it is remaining in state B only, and the output is x2, and on input 1 it is changing to state D and output is x3. Okay, and then the state, if you take C, input is 0, it is changing to D and the output is x3, and on input 1 the state is changing to C and output is x1. And then if you take state D, if on input 0 it is changing the state, it is remaining in the same state D and output is x3, and input 1 also it is in the same state and output is x2. So you can see this one. Now based upon the transition table given, we have drawn the transition diagram. So you can see this clearly. See, A on input 0 it is changing to B and output is x1. Then A on input 1 it is going to C and output is x1. Then B on input 0 it is remaining in state B itself, but output is x2. So we have written on it. Then B on input 1 it is going to state D and output is x3. Now coming to C, on input 0 it is going to D, it is changing to D and output is x3. So we have written x3 here. Then C on input 1 it is remaining in the state C itself and the output is x1. And then D on input 0 as well as on input 1 it is not changing its state, it is remaining in the same state. This is called a self loop. So but output is, one output is x2, another output is x3, you can see here. So we have written already x2, x3 is written. So this is about your Moore machine and Mealy machine.